You bet. Hey there, pack leaders. Today we're diving into a common question many dog owners have. Can dogs eat carrots? The answer is yes, but like with anything, there are always things to keep in mind. We're going to break down everything you need to know about feeding carrots to your furry friend. Raw, cooked baby carrots, you name it. So stay with me, and we'll explore the world of canine carrots together. So you want to give your dog a carrot. Good news! Carrots are perfectly safe for dogs. They're packed with vitamins and minerals that are good for your dog's overall health. We're talking vitamin A for healthy vision, skin, and coat. Then there's fiber, which helps keep their digestion running smoothly, just like us. And don't forget about potassium, which is important for their muscles and nerves. But remember, everything in moderation. Too many carrots can lead to an upset stomach or even diarrhea, especially if your dog isn't used to eating them. Start slow, just like you would with any new food. A few small pieces of carrot are a good place to begin. You can always increase the amount gradually as your dog gets used to it. And of course, always keep an eye on your dog after you give them something new. If you notice any unusual behavior or digestive issues, stop feeding them carrots and consult your vet. Now let's talk about raw carrots. Can dogs handle them? Absolutely. In fact, raw carrots can be a great way to satisfy your dog's natural chewing instincts. Think of it like this: a raw carrot is like a little toothbrush for your dog. The crunchy texture helps clean their teeth and massage their gums, which is fantastic for their dental health. But there's a catch. Raw carrots, especially the larger ones, can be a choking hazard, especially for smaller dogs or puppies. So, what's the solution? Simple. Cut those carrots into smaller, bite-sized pieces before you give them to your furry friend. And remember, supervision is key, especially when you're introducing new treats. Keep a close eye on your dog while they're enjoying their crunchy carrot snacks. Chapter 3. What about cooked carrots? Are they okay for our four-legged companions? You bet! Cooked carrots can be a healthy and delicious treat for your dog. Cooking carrots can actually make some of their nutrients, like beta-carotene, easier for your dog to absorb. Beta-carotene is important for their vision, growth, and immune system. But here's the thing: avoid adding any seasonings, especially onions and garlic, to those carrots. These can be toxic to dogs and make them very sick. Stick to plain cooked carrots, and your furry friend will thank you for it. They're a great way to add some variety and extra nutrients to your dog's diet. Just remember, moderation is key. Too many cooked carrots can lead to weight gain, just like with any treat. Chapter 4. Now let's talk about those adorable baby carrots. They're small, convenient, and perfect for snacking. But are they okay for dogs? The good news is that baby carrots are just as safe and healthy for dogs as regular carrots. They're basically the same thing, just smaller and maybe a little sweeter. Because of their size, baby carrots are a great option for smaller dogs or puppies who might struggle with larger pieces. They're also less likely to pose a choking hazard. But even with baby carrots, it's always a good idea to keep an eye on your dog while they're munching away. You know how dogs can be, sometimes they try to swallow things whole. So feel free to share those baby carrots with your furry friend. They're a healthy, convenient, and delicious treat that your dog will love. Outro. So there you have it, folks. Carrots, whether they're raw, cooked, or those cute little baby carrots, are a fantastic and healthy treat for your four-legged companion. They're packed with vitamins, minerals, and fiber, and they can even help clean your dog's teeth. Just remember to introduce them slowly, cut them into smaller pieces if needed, and always supervise your dog while they're enjoying their carrot snacks. As always, every dog is different, and what works for one might not work for another. If you have any concerns about your dog's diet, or if you notice any adverse reactions, don't hesitate to reach out to your veterinarian. They're your best resource for personalized advice. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more pet care tips.